Hi, Angela and Sarah at Fine and Country, and you join us today at 1 Risdale Close in Leamington Spa. This detached family home is in a quiet cul-de-sac to the northwest of the town centre and close to several good schools.
The property is beautifully presented and offers flexible accommodation with 5 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So come and follow us, let's take a look inside.
The current owners have extended and improved the property to include an open plan kitchen diner overlooking the garden. And the addition of a luxury bedroom suite with bathroom. In the garden, a flexible studio space with shower room adds to the property's appeal.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour of this stunning home, and if you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact either myself or Angela on the details that follow.